Yeah, the approach that you use in the design of experiment domain is that you gather experts and say, how could the process work, and how do we model it depending on the factors that are under investigation. And then we assume this might be linear, this might be quadratic or even cubic, and certain interactions, and from this you feed this information into Cornerstone. Cornerstone sets up the experiment, then you perform the experiment, feed the results back into Cornerstone, and do the evaluation, the regression, and then the regression tells you whether your assumption holds or not. So you have what we call the adjusted R-square, and if this is high enough, then you say, okay, we're done. If it's not high enough, then you have to go back to the drawing board and revise. And this is also a result. Maybe it's not a pleasant result, but it's a result telling you that your assumptions do not hold. You have to revise. We use the software Cornerstone. This is what I use quite regularly. I came into contact with that software about 20-25 years ago even, and it's very versatile. It's very easy to set up an experiment. Then of course you have to do the experiment either physically or in a simulation, and then you feed in the results into Cornerstone, do the regression, and then you can find out which factors contribute most, or, which is also very interesting, which factors do not contribute even though you thought they would, or what interactions you have that you never thought of. So this is very, very powerful. Of course. It's no trial and error anymore. It's no, well, let's see how it turns out. But you do lots of thinking beforehand, before you actually do the experiment. And this is also one takeaway message. When I was in industry, when we employed this methodology, maybe we saved 10 to 15% of the experiments that were not done at all, because while sitting down and thinking about it, people said, oh, that doesn't work anyway. So we rather than finding this out the hard or expensive way, they sat down, they were forced to think it through quite rigorously. And so some of the experiments were not even done because they are, it was clear that they would not be feasible. So this is also a saving in time and effort.